Hi everyone, my name's Electric Junkie and today we're reviewing another game. Today we're reviewing a game called Dimension Shifter, a platform shooter. It's a platform shooter, yeah, we already acknowledged that. Sorry if you can hear that in the background. Use progress by fighting the monsters you encounter. You progress even by fighting the monsters you encounter. So yeah, you kill stuff along the way. Brilliant. Current demo only has one level and one playable character. One playable character, that is. You can move with arrow keys. Use space to jump and boost. Use Z. Yep. Okay, I think we'll just get into it because I'm going to try and keep this short because that's really annoying. Oh, it's an install as well, which is annoying. I did install it. Dimension Shifter. Yeah, stick to a all-in-one thing. We'll skip this. We don't have time for that. Right, so we're in the game. It looks pretty nice. Oh, we've got some sort of jetpack by the looks of it. It's kind of just like a big jump. Right, so we have a few abilities. That appears to be a shoot. No clue. Okay, and that's like a swipe thing. So there isn't any options for get past that. We can't. I've forgotten all my keys, so I don't know what I'm doing. I guess we'll just smack it a bit. Right. We can't duck. Okay. It's not great. Oh wait, that's a hole. So I'm not sure if you're actually meant to go up here on your first run. I don't know how I did actually. I don't know how I did that actually. Looking at it now. Can you combine jump and like? Oh, okay, that's how you did it then. I pressed the wrong one. Yeah, okay. So I'm not sure if you're actually meant to do that because you can just skip like a huge amount by the looks of things. Wait, what? Oh, okay, it's like a boss. Yes. Can we just shoot it from here? No. Hello, can you talk? Apparently not, because I don't know what button I'm meant to press. Okay, there we go. Of course, again. First time seeing a run night. You look different, what's the deal with you? I fell through a portal and found myself here. I came from another world. Human from another world. I'm going to start with the basics. Okay. So I'm guessing this is like a tutorial. Which is a bit weird, because we did have to kind of get to grips with it before this, but anyway, we'll see. Maybe we weren't meant to. Maybe we're just supposed to run past them. I don't know. I'm trying to see if we can do any kind of how much of this is kind of skill based. Kind of just spam that as well. Okay, of course there is no duck, which would be pretty nice to see. I feel like a duck could come in handy. Whether it would be OP or not is another question, but it would come in handy. I went the wrong way. Yeah, maybe a duck would be useful. Okay, we can't seem to get up to the... Oh, there we go. Yeah, maybe that little thing there might be a little bit of a issue. Also, this is like, these ones are super easy to kite. Yeah, they're not tricky. What we meant to. We need to like. Oh, not that one. The C. There we go. I like the idea. I like the look of it. That's the wrong way. One thing I have noticed is something that I've find quite a lot. Something that I'm a culprit of, I guess. Is this whole like, if I'm pressing my right key and I press my left key, or in that case the other way around, you kind of come to a stop, and like that's great, but in some scenarios I'll be trying to like quickly swap and I'll just whack them on. So like you could do that, but in some scenarios I'll be like, there'll be a little like lag point like that, which isn't great. I mean it is down to skill, but there should possibly be like here I'm trying to go right but also holding left and it's not working. So yeah, I'm thinking maybe, oh okay, this isn't good. Maybe have some sort of like override thing, so like just do the last keyboard input. You can also just spam that, I realised. So yeah, maybe just have like, oh dear. Yeah, so I'm actually getting quite into this game. I quite like this game. It was an idea. So yeah, if I'm say holding right and I press left, just immediately swap to just being left, and then if I like let go of left, then just start going right again. I think is my opinion on the matter there. There's also like, I don't know, I feel like for most of these the AI is kind of like learnable as soon as you get the idea. But I do quite like the concept. I'm also not using the rest of the abilities, which I probably should be. Yeah, the idea is pretty nice because it's like an almost fantasy sci-fi mix, because the abilities that we're using, they don't, even though they are kind of sci-fi, they kind of feel fancy because of the whole green colour. It's quite cool. I quite like it. All clear. Okay. I'm noticing a few spelling mistakes on these, but yeah, just there as well. A little bit of a issue with the, I don't know what's happened though, because realistically a monster came in from the Grow portal. That should be able to like all go on 3 lines, but for some reason, and I found myself here has gone onto a new line, which is a little bit odd. It threw me into the portal, and I found it should be on 1 line really. I like overall the style of the text boxes though. But yeah, we're not going to faff around talking about text boxes for too long, because that's no fun. Oh, we just did a bit of moonwalking and go. There he is. I'm guessing we have to kill this guy. Yep. I'm guessing that's it. Oh, okay, we've got like a... Oh dear. Alright, we're thrown right in the deep end then. Pardon me. Yeah, right, maybe that was a little bit too quick. That's just an idea. Like, we've gone from fighting these ones, which are like super easy, to fighting big ones which are not super easy. A big boss by the looks of it. Of course that might just be because of the whole demo. They might have just wanted to squeeze in a boss, because a boss fight is pretty cool to have in a demo. But it's a little bit of a problem if that's not part of the demo, if that's the actual game, because yeah, it was. I mean, I feel like the game is good. I feel like the mechanics are really good, but I feel like the ordering's just a bit wrong. Like, I feel like this guy should show up kind of earlier, teach us a bit about the game, how we fight and stuff, and then we do the very first bit, and then we go into here, because that makes sense. We clear out these guys, then maybe like more levely things before the boss, because I think just throwing straight in at the boss is a little bit mean. Although it does remind me of kind of Dark Souls, which obviously is successful, so it's kind of up to you, I guess. If you want it to be particularly like I don't know what the word is. I also feel like that is super OP. But yeah, if you want it to be like super mean, then I guess you could do that. It depends how your difficulty, like what your difficulty is aimed at. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna leave this as is because I doubt I'll be able to get past that boss without like several tries. So I think we'll just quit. Overall, I quite like that. I got quite into it. I realised halfway through I wasn't actually giving much feedback. I was just playing the game. So yeah, that's always a good sign. Doesn't happen too often. Anyway, if you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, or do you guys want to do, and I'll talk to you in the next one.